Hello everyone, this is your host Miss Vocabulary, and today I'm gonna share with you 10 movies that will help you in speaking better English. By watching them, you will be inspired to use much more advanced vocabulary and converse with people in English. So these 10 movies that I will share with you are the movies that are some of my favorites, and I myself have seen the difference. After I watched those movies, I was trying to use much more advanced level of vocabulary, new words. I tried to improve my speaking skills. I tried speech shadowing. I was copying the character that I saw in that movie. So it will definitely gonna help you if it had helped me. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first movie that I would like to share with you is Pride and Prejudice. My assumption regarding this movie is that most of you have already seen it, but if you haven't, you should definitely see it. And this movie is based on a novel by Jane Austen, and it is about, the story goes about a girl who made preconception, who made pre-ideas about a certain man who she fell in love, and later she realizes that he is not the man, and she sees a difference between the wealth and the true love. So it does definitely have many, the main characters of the movie use so much of vocabulary, they use new words, and they just say the dialogue are very intense. So it will definitely help you in trying to get that idea of the essence of the whole story, and in the meantime it will also help you in making your English much better. So प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस आप ज़रूर देखें, क्योंकि ये मूवी ऐसी है कि इसमें, बिकॉज it has been written by our famous novelist Jane Austen, so it has some complex words which are very helpful. So this is Pride and Prejudice. The second one that I would like to share is Forrest Gump. So Forrest Gump is a movie. It's about a man who who recounts many major events. हिस्ट्री में जितने भी मेजर इवेंट्स हुए हैं तो वो रिकाउंट्स करता है, और वो खुद को वहाँ पे मौजूद पाता है अपनी वर्ल्ड की हिस्ट्री के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स में. किस लिए? ताकि वो अपनी जो लवर है जूलिया, उसको ढूंढने के लिए वो कुछ पुराने इवेंट्स में जाता है. सो इस मूवी में भी बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ड यूज़ किए गए हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एडवांस लेवल की इसमें वोकैबुलरी है, और जो डायलॉग है, कॉमिक टाइमिंग, इट इज़ रियली ग्रेट. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड you to watch this movie. English सीखने के साथ साथ it's very interesting, and it's one of the best movies till date to exist. So you should definitely give a try. It's a 100% recommendation. Now coming to our third movie. Our third movie is A Dead Poets Society. So this movie डेड पोएट्स सोसाइटी, इसका नेम पढ़ के ही आप समझ गए होंगे कि ये कुछ पोएट्री से रिलेटेड है. सो पोएट्री कम्स इन इंग्लिश, सो इट इज़ अनडाउटेबली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मूवीज थ्रू विच यू विल बी एबल टू इम्प्रूव मच मोर, improve your English. So it's about a teacher. ये एक टीचर के बारे में है जो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को इंस्पायर करता है that they live their life very carelessly and do whatever they want. किसी के दबाव में आके कुछ मत करो, be carefree and do whatever your heart says. So it's also a very motivational movie, and other than that it also has some really good poetry content, and he teaches them through poetry. वो उनको inspire करता है किसके through? Poetry के through. So English nerds, you should definitely give a try. Now coming to our fourth movie. Our fourth movie is Clueless. So basically this movie is based on a novel named Emma by Jane Austen, the same author of this movie. So Clueless में ऐसा होता है that the main character, there is a girl who is very rich and who is stuck in her adolescence and she doesn't know how to behave. अपने teenage years को समझ नहीं पाती है, लोगों के अपने आसपास लोगों को नहीं समझ पाती है. And then she helps a girl who is a very, there is a girl in this movie that is very clueless, और वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बहुत बड़ी सोसाइटी से बिलोंग नहीं करती. शी डजंट नो हाउ टू ड्रेस, शी डजंट नो हाउ टू टॉक. सो बेसिकली दिस आवर मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस मूवी, शी टीचेस हर हाउ टू डू थिंग्स एंड शी मेक हर मच मोर मॉडर्न एंड एडवांस. सो और इसी जर्नी में वो खुद को भी फाइंड करती है कि वो अपनी लाइफ में जो मिस कर रही है अपने एडोलेसेंस ईयर्स में, तो उसने उससे क्या पाया. सो ये भी वो डिस्कस करती है और वो समझती है. सो इस मूवी से आप ज़्यादा इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी इम्प्रूव नहीं कर सकते, बट दिस मूवी हैज़ सम मेजर स्लैंग्स विच इज़ यूज्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड वाइडली नाउडेज. आप स्लैंग क्या होता है? स्लैंग इज़ अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म फॉर शॉर्ट लैंग्वेज. सो स्लैंग हम ऐसे लोगों से कन्वर्सेशन करने में यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे हाई फाई ब्रो एंड बिग टाइम एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस, दे आर स्लैंग. सो इस मूवी को देख के आप काफ़ी सारे स्लैंग्स बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे, बिकॉज इट बेसिकली द कैरेक्टर यूज सो मच ऑफ स्लैंग्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवी. सो लेट्स कमिंग टू आवर फिफ्थ मूवी. आवर फिफ्थ वन इज़ द विजार्ड ऑफ ओज. So Wizard of Oz is basically this movie is based on a novel, and in this movie there is a girl who is transported to a magical land to which she is destined to save. वो एक मैजिकल फैरी लैंड पहुंच जाती है जिसके लिए वो डेस्टिन्ड थी उस जगह को बचाने के लिए कुछ मॉन्स्टर्स से. सो ये भी बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. एंड apart from like English content, it's also so entertaining. आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा इस मूवी को देखते हुए. It's sort of a kids movie, but adults will also enjoy it. And the meantime, you'll be a good English speaker. So this is very important. Now coming to our sixth one. Our sixth one is Mansfield Park. So basically, and again, this movie is based on a novel named Mansfield Park, and the novelist of that novel is Jane Austen, the writer of Pride and Prejudice, Mansfield Park, and the movie Emma, on which this Clueless is based. So Mansfield Park is also it's about a girl, a girl who is brought to her aunt, and like she is treated very badly. And when she grew up, she turns into a very beautiful girl, and she falls in love with her aunt's son. But because her aunt used to treat her badly, उसकी आंटी उसके साथ बहुत बुरी तरह बिहेव करती थी. सो वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो उनके बेटे से उनका कुछ रिलेशनशिप हो. एंड इन द मीन टाइम उनके हस्बैंड चाहते थे कि इसकी शादी जो मेन कैरेक्टर हैं उसकी शादी उनके नेबर से हो. बट इन द एंड she comes back to that her aunt's son. So this movie is also based on novel, so this contains very much vocabulary in it. There is much more advanced words, complex sentences, dialogues, and many things. So it's definitely very helpful. Now our seventh one is Jane Eyre. This is my most favorite movie in time. So Jane Eyre is basically, this is about a girl who had a very harsh childhood, and she was an orphan. She grew up in an orphanage where people treated her badly. She even lost her favorite friend, her best friend, on a disease. So Jane Eyre, when she grew up, she became a governess of this particular castle, or a very rich man. So there was the girl who she used to teach. In the meantime, उस घर के जो ओनर थे, he falls in love with her, and when she was about to marry him, she came to know, she acknowledged that man has a wife already who is living in a tower, and she is insane. So she left him, but later when she realized that she really loves him, when she comes back, the man's whole castle, it got burnt and he became poor, but still he became blind, the man, and she again returned to him and realized. So the moral of the story was basically that money is not everything. Love can bloom even in the most of the poverty. So this movie is my favorite, and it has so many sentences. I like the wordings of the character, the way they spoke and their accent. It was really good, and try to like listen each and every sentence and try to understand the meaning of it. So that's how basically you'll be able to learn. So let's come to our next movie. Our next movie is Wuthering Heights. So Wuthering Heights is also one of my favorite movies. It's also based on a novel named Wuthering Heights. So it's basically about a boy. There was a boy, एक लड़का है जो बहुत ही poor है, who is very poor. So this man, he adopts him, but like the man already has like some children, and they hate him and they treat him badly. They treat him like a barn boy. He is very poor. So what happens, he falls in love with his daughter, like his stepsister. He falls in love with his stepsister, and when they grew up they were deeply in love, but later she got married to some other man. And like, it's basically a very gothic movie. It has some dark essence to it. काफ़ी dark movie है ये, but you will enjoy it. And other than that, rather than enjoying, it has some very nice words, and the character, they are very outstanding. Their way of speaking, it's outstanding. So it's a very good movie, and it's a go-to. I will definitely recommend watching Wuthering Heights. Now coming to our ninth one. Our ninth one is David Copperfield. So this movie is based on a novel of the same name, David Copperfield, which is written by a famous author named Charles Dickens. So this movie is basically about the childhood and the adulthood of a man named David Copperfield, and how he cope up with his traumas, how he meets new people, नए नए लोगों से मिलता है, उन लोगों को समझता है वो, और उन लोगों को कौन उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं, कौन उसके एनिमीज़ हैं, वो जो उसका पूरा सफ़र है उसको पहचानने का. सो द मूवी इज़ बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन दोज इवेंट्स. सो इट्स अ मस्ट वॉच. And our last one is The Telltale Heart. It's by my favorite author of all time, Edgar Allan Poe. The Telltale Heart is a movie based on a novel named The Telltale Heart, and the author of the novel is Edgar Allan Poe. He is my favorite author of all time, and he writes gothic content. So he used to write dark stories and poetry, and one of the famous poem by him is The Raven. So this is a very dark movie, बहुत ही dark movie है, and this is basically about, in this movie the narrator is like confusing the person who is hearing or reading the book. So he's confusing, and what he does now, he is actually telling about a murder that he committed. जो narrator होता है उसने एक murder commit किया होता है, and he killed a man, an old man who had blue eyes. So he didn't like his eyes. So what he did ना, he killed him. He dismembered him in the bathtub में उनको मार के वो क्या करता है, वो ज़मीन के अंदर वुडन ब्लॉक्स के अंदर वो उनको क्या कर देता है, रख देता है, उसकी बॉडी को रख देता है. बट क्योंकि उसने गलत काम किया था, बिकॉज ही हैज़ डन अ वेरी बैड डीड, ही वॉज वेरी एंशियस इफ समवन केम टू नो अबाउट इट, कोई आ ना जाए. और उसको तभी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है जो उस डेक के नीचे से आ रही होती है. सो वो ये अज्यूम करता है कि वो जो हर्ट है जिसको मैंने मारा है उसका हर्ट बीट कर रहा है, और वो पुलिस आती है वहाँ पे, और वो उसको पुलिस जो है उसको ढूंढ लेती है. तो उसको डर रहता है कहीं पुलिस ना आ जाए. सो इट्स अ वेरी डार्क मूवी, but it's entertaining, and for those who love horror, this is a go-to, and I will definitely recommend it. So these are all the movies that I would recommend you to watch to make your English much better. The first one, Pride and Prejudice, Forrest Gump, Dead Poets Society, Clueless, The Wizard of Oz, Mansfield Park, Jane Eyre, Wuthering Heights, David Copperfield, and The Telltale Hearts. So what you have to do, you can screenshot it and you can watch it whenever you are free. And I suppose all these movies are available on YouTube, and if not on YouTube, they are available on Netflix as well. So I will definitely recommend to watch it. So that's all for today. We will cover many more topics in the next video. Till then, bye bye.